वतन की तुमसे है हिम्मत, वतन की तुमसे है इज्जत, वतन की तुमसे है इंसान के हम रखवाले। ताकत वतन की हमसे है, हिम्मत वतन की हमसे है।
Good morning, everyone, and wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I will start by reading out the speech given by the Honorable President of India yesterday evening on the eve of our Independence Day. Here's what he said. My dear fellow citizens, it gives me great pleasure to greet all the people of India living in the country and abroad on the eve of the 74th Independence Day. August 15 fills us with the excitement of unfurling the tricolour, taking part in celebrations and listening to patriotic songs. On this day, the youth of India should feel the special pride of being citizens of a free nation. We gratefully remember our freedom fighters and martyrs whose sacrifices have enabled us to live in an independent nation. The ethos of our freedom struggle forms the foundation of modern India. Our visionary leaders brought together a diversity of worldviews to forge a common national spirit. They were committed to the cause of liberating Bharat Mata from oppressive foreign rule and securing the future for her children. Their thoughts and actions shaped the identity of India as a modern nation. We are fortunate that Mahatma Gandhi became the guiding light of our freedom movement. As much a saint as a political leader, he was a phenomena that could have only happened in India. Troubled by social strife, economic problems and climate change, the world seeks relief in Gandhiji's teachings. His quest for equality and justice is the mantra of our republic. I am glad to see the younger generations rediscovering Gandhiji.
Very much, sir. To add to the high spirit of patriotism, our vibrant Indian community across the UAE has also joined us in celebrating our 74th Independence Day. Students and classical dancers from our community have shared their colorful dance performances online using various social media platforms. Our community's strong urge to join and participate in the celebration of 74th Independence Day of India has found new and innovative way of expression despite the ongoing norms of social distancing in place. Let us all now enjoy some of these cultural performances here. Thank you.
हमसे बेहतर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम, आत्मनिर्भर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम। लिए वरदान है। जग को हमने ही सिखाया वसुधैव कुटुंबकम। आत्मनिर्भर हम, बोलो वंदे मातरम। हमसे बेहतर हम, बोलो वंदे मातरम। योग राम बाण है, सदियों का ये ज्ञान है। ताज अपना ताजमहल हुनर की पहचान है। जाना जग जगदीश से, पौधों में भी तो जान है। रमण ने लहरा दिया रमण प्रभाव का परचम। आत्मनिर्भर हम, बोलो वंदे मातरम। हमसे बेहतर हम, बोलो वंदे मातरम। स्वदेशी अपनाने लगे, हम विदेशी भगाने लगे। खोजों का है ये सिलसिला, जो चांद पे पानी मिला। यूएसबी भी हमने दिया, मत पूछो क्या क्या किया। हर गोविंद पे है नाज हमें, दिया डीएनए का राज हमें। देश की स्वदेश की है खोज पेंटियम। आत्मनिर्भर हम, बोलो वंदे मातरम। हमसे बेहतर हम, बोलो वंदे मातरम। आत्मनिर्भर हम, बोलो वंदे मातरम। हमसे बेहतर हम, बोलो वंदे मातरम। आत्मनिर्भर हम, बोलो वंदे मातरम। हमसे बेहतर हम, बोलो वंदे मातरम। आत्मनिर्भर हम, बोलो वंदे मातरम। हमसे बेहतर हम, बोलो वंदे मातरम।
You all for joining us today in celebrating the 74th Independence Day of India. Thank you.